Sometimes all we need is 5 minutes to breathe and recenter. My name's Kendra with Ray Yoga, and this is a 5-minute guided meditation. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Allow your eyes to close or let the gaze be soft. Find a position with your body where you can be as comfortable as possible. Make any final adjustments or movements that you may need to do. Giving yourself permission to settle in and take this time for you. Now take a deep breath in, filling the bottom of the belly. And exhale fully, softening the body. There's nothing for you to do but to follow along to my voice. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale fully through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Every time you exhale, see if you can soften the body even more. And with each inhale, allowing yourself to create some space. Now consider something you love doing, such as hiking, swimming, or running. Something that makes you feel alive. Whatever this is, take away the image and stay with the feeling. The feeling of life pulsing through the body. The entire body energized, healthy, happy. Feeling and noticing your entire body from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet. Inhale, feel the energy fill the body. Exhale, empty anything that doesn't serve you. Now allow my words to become yours. Repeat in your head after me. I am energized. I am powerful. I am courageous. I am confident. I am present. I am enough. Inhale into the belly. Exhale everything out. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room, back to your body. Maybe you wiggle your fingers or wiggle your toes. You can stay as long as you need here before you move on to your day or evening. Thank you for being here.